So today we are on the best topic, which I think so. It's about women leading the future, and they are already leading it. So just start with our presentation. So moving towards our second slide, it's women in AI leadership, shaping the next era of technology, women in AI innovation, and it creates the bestest impact ever seen. Okay, so now what are AI agents? Just a light intro of it. AI is moving beyond systems that simply respond to prompts. Women researchers and developers are now building systems that can reason, use tools, make decisions, maintain context, and take actions toward a goal. So moving towards next slide, women building AI agents. Core capabilities, women innovations are creating, reasoning, and planning. No one is aware of the fact that women are always the best researchers because the way they thought and make the plans is quite better than males. So now reasoning and planning, breaking down complex problems led by women researchers. They solved actually the complex problems from minor to major and then complex problems. Tool integration, creating seamless API connections through innovative designs. Decision making, building systems with fairness and ethical considerations. Context awareness, maintaining memory with privacy and security in mind. Autonomous action, enabling agents to act responsibly toward goals, which is very important. And then why women leading AI agents matters? Efficiency, responsibility, and innovation. Women automate complex workflows with diverse perspectives and ethical design. Responsibility, building trustworthy systems that are accountable and transparent. Innovation, creating new possibilities in ethical, inclusive AI applications. Women shaping the future of AI, integrity, inclusivity, and resilience. Ethical design from the start, building for everyone, empowering the change. These values are as vital as technical expertise in building responsible, trustworthy technologies. Women building responsible AI systems, how we are leading ethical innovation. Ethical design first, embedding ethics from the ground up, not as an afterthought. Data integrity, ensuring accuracy, fairness, and transparency in all data. Accountability, creating systems that can be edited, explained, and trusted. Inclusivity, designing for diverse perspective, voices, and use cases. Or intersection, women leading agentic AI innovation, women in data science and tech field, future we are building an agentic AI innovation. What are key takeaways? So they are AI agents represent a paradigm shift in how we build intelligent systems. Women's diverse perspectives make AI ethics and innovation stronger. Integrity, inclusivity, resilience are non negotiable in responsible tech. Women are leading the future and they are building it with purpose. And thank you so much. That's all from my side.